Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how QuickSort works and its algorithm, and today we will also be implementing QuickSort in Python. Let's say we have a list of unsorted numbers and now we want to sort them using QuickSort. But what exactly is QuickSort? QuickSort is an algorithm to sort numbers and it's actually very quick. So this is the algorithm for QuickSort. You what we do is first we choose an element called pivot element. Usually we choose the first element, but it doesn't matter, you can choose any element. Usually we choose for convenience we choose the first element or the last element of the array or the list which we have. And now this list is split into two more lists, which are called the lesser list and the greater list. And the lesser list contains all the elements from the original list which are lesser than the pivot element, and the greater list contains all the elements from the chosen list which are greater than the chosen pivot. And after this, what we do is we recursively do the same thing, like choosing the pivot element and splitting the list to the lesser list and to the greater list. And then what we do is we simply merge this splitted lesser list with your pivot and your greater array. That's what we do. And now I'm going to show you an implementation of the same in Python. So let's code it in Python. So guys, let's code it. Let's make a function called quick, which accepts a list and chooses a pivot element. Let the pivot element be the first one, and let's create the lesser array which has all the elements from the list if that element is lesser than pivot. Alright, and similarly we create the greater array which has all the elements from that list, from the list which are greater than pivot element. Fine, that's great. And we forgot the base case. What if the lesser list is empty or the greater list is empty? We are gonna recursively send the lesser list to QuickSort and greater list to QuickSort, right? So what we can check is if the list is empty. If the list is empty, you simply return an empty list as the output. Else what you do is this is what we do. Else we choose a pivot, you choose the greater array, the lesser array, and now you return the recursion of lesser input and the greater input plus the pivot. So what you're basically doing is quick of less plus you got your pivot element over here plus quick of great. You understand what's happening here? We are basically recursively sending the lesser array to QuickSort, we are sending the greater array to QuickSort and merging it with the present pivot element. So guys, let's test it now. Let's send some input to it. Print quick off. Let's send them some random numbers: 23 minus 1, 34, 12, 1, 90, 0. Let's see what happens. Run this. This is the output, yeah, and it's right. That's it.